So where are we at?
We are in technically Loves Park, Illinois.
So we're technically looking at corn, lost somewhere in Loves Park, Illinois. That's what I'm talking about. Hanging out, just making our way through the countryside. So we're hanging out here, Illinois, dock, and a parking lot, parking some drift cars. Gonna have a little party in the parking lot. Hey!
Hey!
How'd that go?
There goes so great! Hold on!
Started up. Gonna go set up for our little dock display out here in Illinois. Jeff with a little housekeeping. And there it is, we're kicking it off. So we got unloaded and we're hanging out with Doc here in a parking lot of the Beef-A-Roo.
I'll just film you while you do your thing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So,
are we doing it?
yeah, it's Illinois.
What up? It's Illinois?
It's Illinois.
It's bright to look at your phone.
I gotta have the Doc sunglasses on. Makes it better. So we're out here in a parking lot. How was the weather yesterday, Jeff?
It was hot as balls.
Today, I've arrived. It's kind of nice out. It's partly cloudy.
I'm filming him do
We've
his
got
YouTube
camera
thing.
on
He's
camera.
YouTubing.
Yeah.
You know when Kyle's always YouTubing? There it is.
I'm always trying to film stuff. So we got both our cars out here, and we're at a Beef-A-Roo. I've never been to a Beef-A-Roo.
Apparently they don't sell kangaroos in there. I thought there was going to be kangaroo meat, Beef-A-Roo, kangaroo. That's not a thing.
Beef-A-Roo. It's
Beef.
up over there.
Beef.
But either way, we're out here. We're meeting some cool fans. Actually, some FD guys showed up and have been checking out the cars.
Kind of knew who we were.
Yeah, yeah. We signed
cool.
some autographs, met some new fans, and we've been sampling Doc and giving away Doc. So
I've been forcing it in people's faces.
Yeah,
they like it.
Literally ran out in the street and gave some Doc away.
I might have did that. Cut to that.
Yeah,
Can you edit that?
I don't know.
Cut to that.
If I have it,
Probably
we'll put it in.
What's up?
We're out here.
We're out here.
Street side with Doc.
Street side.
Having a good time. Just did an interview on Real Rock, the X.
We got free Doc over here. Come get a
Hanging
sample.
out.
Come try it out. I think we're giving away some
Don't give
radio
Jeff
stuff.
microphones. Yeah, otherwise it may not have happened. But yeah, so tonight we're gonna go out to Rockford, and this is kind of the start of our trip.
Start of our trip.
Yep.
We're in Rockford, Illinois. We go party and shit. You know what I'm saying? I bleeped the wrong word.
Yeah, it's all good.
Anyways.
I took a red eye here, and
Yeah,
Jeff,
I took a red eye
has,
yesterday. I've
been out here for a day,
party.
so yep, we're ready to have a good time and go do some driving.
Doing some driving tonight.
And whatever else the local nightlife
We're
might
gonna have some
bring.
fun. Rockford Speedway.
Yeah.
You're gonna like it. It's a really
Yeah.
fun track. It's like it's flat and then it goes whoo and then it comes back down. It's a banked course, but it's like a roller coaster, man. I really enjoyed it last year.
I'm
so
looking
glad you got
forward
to
to
come
checking it out. Yeah, I'm stoked.
It's gonna
hopefully,
be fun.
hopefully we get a good crowd and the weather holds out.
So
So
this is day one.
day one
of the Washington trip.
Yeah.
Welcome to Beef-A-Roo, man.
Hanging out in Illinois with Doc. We got the Doc party. Say what's up.
Oh, what's up?
Doc, just docking it up. Excellent. I don't know, they brought drifters to a NASCAR party. Got Corollas hanging out next to circle track cars. Got the rig. Alright, so what do we got here?
I have an alternator
Out of a?
out of a 1985 Toyota Corolla.
That's it over there. So we're out here in Illinois having fun at a NASCAR event fixing drift cars.
Yeah.
as well as smoking some Nexons, giving out talk, and just generally having a really good time with a whole new set of friends. Cool crowd out here at a little Saturday night circle track. So let's see if we can fix that alternator. Don't rock out with your dock out.
Or do it.
Or do it. Nice little Nissan. This is what's going on out here in Illinois on a Saturday night at the NASCAR tracks. We've got a LS, Nissan. Oh yeah. Some more JDM love. Corollas. All out here at a NASCAR event, hanging out, having a good time.
Hey, you can't shut that off or what?
Yeah, I'll turn it off right now. Yeah.
That's how maybe you run it one time and that's it.
Cheers.
Cheers, y'all.
Hold on, we got 4 more.
This is a problem. But then...
Oh, fuck you.